Welcome, the Process Technology Core application on the zSpace platform. Immerse yourself in our captivating series of interactive 3D models, delving deep into the core process equipment common in manufacturing and process facilities. Uncover the inner workings of valves, pumps, exchangers, and other essential equipment as you navigate through each detailed cutaway. With the aid of a stylus, learners engage with the components, peering inside to gain a comprehensive understanding of their functionality. The Process Technology Core zSpace application boasts an array of 25 titles showcasing essential process equipment. Process Technology Core is the first in a series of products being developed by Systran specifically designed to take advantage of the zSpace platform. By creating immersive learning experience, the Process Technology Core application helps better prepare students to take industry certifications and join the workforce. For more information, please visit zspace.com.